Are you hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, can you see that slide now? So what is that? Today we are celebrating National Reading Day. So CBSE is celebrating the 25th National Reading Day on June 19th. So today is June 19th, no? So we are celebrating National Reading Day. So why we are celebrating that? Getting involved in reading as well as that encourages reading by younger children like you. So children, try to improve your reading skill. How we can improve our reading skill? Keep on giving practice. Okay, end of the session, we are going to practice reading. So everyone get ready, children. Okay, now move to your workbook, English workbook. Please take your English workbook. Those who are having, suppose if you are not having, no problem. Take
Please
the
mute
floor.
yourself, children. Arun Mitran, please.
Mute yourself.
Okay, Kana.
Pranav Darshan.
What, ma'am?
Pranav
Kana, take your
Darshan.
page number, please.
Pranav Darshan, Shubhashri, please mute yourself, children. Sivapriya.
Okay. So page number 3. Did you open? Okay, very good. So today we are going to see syllables. What is mean by syllables? What is syllables? So syllables is the sound of vowel. Syllables is a sound of vowel. Syllables in words makes spelling and reading easier. That's why we are creating syllables in words. So syllables can, wait. Syllables can break the word into parts. So all words have syllables, isn't it? A word might have 1 or 2 or even more syllables. So we'll see that one vowels, based on that vowels only, that syllables there. So the number of syllables in a word is decided by its number of vowel sound. You see that one, the syllables in the sound of vowel, A, E, I, O, U. These are 5 vowels. So that is created when pronouncing the letter A, E, I, O, U. What is the sound of A? What is the sound of A? Are you here? Gayatri? Gayatri ma'am?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you hearing?
Yes,
Is
ma'am.
it audible?
Yes, ma'am. Audible, but with disturbance, ma'am.
Why? Ma Tejas.
Samchul, Tejaswini, please mute yourself. Parents, please kindly cooperate. Please mute yourself. Tejaswini.
What is that? Shall we move? Shall I continue?
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma, please, will you mute? Then only I can continue the class now.
Yes, ma'am, you can continue.
What is the sound of vowel? So what is the sounds of? Ma, children, will you please cooperate? Okay, now see that one. What is the vowel say? A, E, I, O, U. So what is the sound of A? Apple, A sound. E, E for elephant. Is there any elephant? A sound. Igloo, E sound. O, ostrich, R sound. U, up, umbrella, R sound. Is, so why they given that Y also in that as a vowel sound only, that they say Y is also be come under vowel only. Reason I'll show that one. The letter Y is a vowel only if it is creates an A, E, I, O, U sounds. Example here, fry. Can you see that one? Fry. What is the sound of Y? I, E. Then try, cry. E sound means I sound there. So that is also included in the vowel only. The number of times that you hear the sound of vowel is the number of syllables in a word. So what's the meaning of that one? The number of syllables in a word is decided by its number of vowel sound. Syllables by sound, not by spelling. Okay, only by sound only we have to divide them. How many syllables in that one? When two vowels are next to each other, the number of syllables depends on the number of vowel sound only, not depends upon the spellings. For example, free. So what is the pronunciation of free? E sound. So only one syllable is book. That is also one syllable. Eat. One syllable. Bio. Bio. So even so there is a two vowels also we are pronouncing. So that is a two syllable. So if a vowel is silent, it is not counted as a syllable. For example, fire. Fire. F-I-R-E. What sound is silent there? Fire. E sound. So that is a one syllable. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay. See that one, 5 ways to count the syllables. How many ways to count the syllables? There are 5 ways to count the syllables. The listen method rules, the chin method, the clap method, the robot speak method, the written method. Now we are going to see few in that. Now we'll begin with listen now. Listen method. So this is the listen method. The listen method. So if you say the word, how many times do you hear? That means vowels. A, E, I, O, U.
Yes.
As a separate sound. So this is the number of syllables. Can you see that one? Cake. 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 What sound? C-A-K-E. Even though there are two vowels, but how many? That means K. K sound only is there. So how to pronounce that? K. So that is a one syllable. A sound only there. Cheese. Cheese. One syllable. E sound. Even though two letters are repeated, that one E. So we have to consider as a one syllable. Cheese. Chicken. Chicken. Chick. Then N. So how should pronounce? Chicken. Chicken. So that is a two syllables. We are giving the past to say two parts. Chicken. Then check. Checked. Check. So that is one syllable. Only we have to pronounce check. That's all. So these are the word E sound are silent there. So these are the come under the listen method. We'll go for the next method. Clap method. We'll move for the clap method now. Clap method. Now children, you have to try to do as ma'am.
Yes. Stella ma'am.
Try to do.
Stella ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Let me share the video, ma'am. Let me share it. I'll share the video.
I'm sharing only.
No, not the pictures, ma'am. I'll share the same video. Just a second.
Yes, ma'am. Can you see that one?
Yes, ma'am. Now you can continue explaining, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, syllables. Can you see that one? Suppose we are going to do that in the form of clap method. So
Yes, now
clap your hands. Means you have to clap one time. Suppose clap your hands each time you hear a vowel sound. Can you try to clap? Cat. Can you clap, children? Cat. How many times you can do? Only one time. Cat. Can you do? Try to do that one.
Stop.
Cat means
Stop giving annotation, children.
cat. Only one time, that is one syllable. Yes. So clap your hands as you say a word.
Yashwant,
Radio.
just a second.
Okay.
Just a second. Yashwant of section J, whatever it is. Yashwant, can you please stop annotating, Kana? Don't give request. Don't touch the screen. Thank you.
Okay, now we'll see the second one. Okay. Cat. How many times that you are doing? Cat. One time. Then radio. Ma, who's clapping there? Then book. How many times? One time. Book. Then, can you show the next picture, ma'am?
Teacher.
Teacher. To clap. So that is a two syllable. Teach. Teacher. Then two syllables. Tractor. Tractor. Two syllables. Tractor. Two syllables. Then
Now, robot talking method, ma'am.
ma'am, no, only three method only I'm going to take now. Okay, just can you make that one?
Yes.
Chin method. Chin method.
Oh,
Go
just
for
a
the
second.
chin method.
Yeah. Keep your hands like that, children. Keep your hands under your
To
chin.
keep your hand safe. Here, how to do that one? Just see the pictures. Rest your hand under your chin there. Can you try to
Okay.
do?
Yes,
Rest
ma'am.
your
Let me
hand
play.
under your chin.
After
And-
the video completes, you can continue. Yes.
Yes, children, please rest your hand. Everyone. Okay, now, why we are doing like this? So put your hands under your chin like this. Then hit your hand while mouth open. Yes. Yes. If you open your mouth, try now. Hit your hands there. Isn't it?
At
Now say
sunset.
the word. Now, shall we say the word? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now say the word slowly. We can feel now. Now say the word slowly. How many times does your chin drops onto your hand? That is the number of syllables. Got it? Yeah. Cat. Try to open your mouth and say cat. So that is one syllable. Book. Book. One syllable. Yeah, sunset. Sunset. Two times, that is your chin drops onto your where? Hand. So that is two syllable. Tractor. Tractor. That is two syllable. Isn't it? Because your chin drops onto your hand two times. Tractor. Sunset. Yes? Are you doing? Isn't it easy to understand the syllables now? Now the radio. 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 So how many times that your chin drops? Three times. That means your chin drops on your hand three times. Isn't it? So that is the three syllables. Butterfly. Radio. Then butterfly. How many times butterfly? Can you tell me how many times butterfly will touch your hand there? Three times. Very good. Very good. Very, very good. Now, ma'am, can you show that one?
Is it video?
Teacher, show your video, ma'am. Teacher. Teach. How many times teacher?
Two times.
Two times. Very good. Teacher. Two times. Syllabus is? Okay, now. Okay, now we'll go for the workbook now. Now you have to open your third page in your workbook. Open that. Okay. Ma'am, are you having with you that slide?
Yes,
now?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I have it.
Can you
Now
show-
I'll
can you
share
show
it.
that,
I'll
ma'am?
share it. Yes, sure, sure.
Okay, the sixth one. Pick out words. Yeah, pick out words from. Can you show the arrow mark there, ma'am? Pick out words from the story with 1, 2, and 3 syllables. Okay, we will try to get from our story only. Okay, the first one. Bad. Bad. This is a one syllable.
Clap,
Repeat.
clap,
Yes, no? Yes.
clap and see, children. Clap and see. Bad. One clap.
Bad. One clap. Bad. Then catch. One clap.
One.
Isn't it? Catch. One clap. So that is one syllable. Girl. One clap. Isn't it one syllable? Like this. House. Asphalt. One syllable. Then put. Tax. So one syllable. One clap gives one syllables for in that word. Are you doing? Try to write. Otherwise, finish it up. Then go for the 2 syllables. Bow. Very good. Bow. So you can also try to write on your own. Very good. Then book. Then rat. These are, so that story you can get that one. That's the reason we are taking these are things. Now go to the second one. 2 syllables. Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. 2 syllables.
Yes. 2 syllables. Castle. Pencil. Okay. Pencil. From the story we have to take, no problem. Pencil. Pencil. Even though you have to try to through your chin method also. Pencil. Yeah, second one. Money. Money. So you have to try to do clap method, otherwise your chin method easy to identify your syllables there. Castle. Castle. 2 syllables.
Castle.
Clever.
Srihasini, please do not give request, Kanna.
Yes. Clever. 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 Return. Return. 2 claps. Return. Then Robin. 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 So 2 syllables. Isn't it? Yes. Now move to the third one. 3 syllables. 3 syllables. Unhappy. Unhappy. So you are doing 3 claps there. So that is a 3 syllables. Even though if you try through your chin also, unhappy. So 3 times your chin drops onto your hand. Then archery. Archery. No. Archery. No. Archer. Archer. Then archery. So that is a 3 syllables. Collector. Collector. Isn't it? 3 syllables. Collector. Collector. 3 syllables. Terrible. Very good. Terrible also. Terrible. Then beautiful. 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 So each break, if you find that one, you can find the vowel there. Isn't it? If you try to do that one, you can find the vowels in each break there. Suppose each syllables, there is a vowels there. Nottingham. Nottingham. 3 syllables. So your chin drops onto your hand 3 times. Nottingham. even though you can find the vowels in that one. Okay, we will go to the next slide now. Ma'am, next page.
Yes.
Punctuation. Otherwise, shall I give my punctuation before enter to that one? I'll show my punctuation there, then we'll share that one.
Okay, ma'am.
Recap on the punctuation. Now turn your page number 6. Turn your page number 6. So in that we have to do the second one, worksheet 2, second one. Punctuate the following sentences. The first one is done for you there. I'll show that one. Before that, we have to recall our punctuation. What are the punctuation we already seen there? So what is a full stop? Where we have to use the full stop or period at the end of a sentence. Yeah, I'll show that one. Can you wait? Then what are the things that we have go through in your punctuation only that we are seeing now? We have to recollect, then we have to complete that worksheet. Then exclamation. So what is the exclamatory mark? When we use that exclamatory mark? Did you remember? When we use our exclamatory mark? Exclamation points are exciting. Exciting only. That means exclamation points are used to show strong feelings. Isn't it? Exclamation, your cry, call, shout, hail, these are your feelings. That time only we have to use your exclamation there. Then comma. When we have to use our commas, commas can be used in many places there. Isn't it? They are used to indicate a pause. Let's see some of the places where we have to use the commas. Already we go through that one. Just again we have to recollect in your worksheet there. Then question mark. So question marks are used at the end of the sentence only. So phrase to show that it is begin written exactly where is very. Can you see that one question mark here? Ma'am, can you see that one? So question marks are easy to understand. They belong at the end of the question now. Gayatri ma'am, can you share that one?
Yes, ma'am. The next that page I'll share it.
Process. So these 4 punctuations are very important. While do your sentence form there, you just find out and get the answers there.
Ma'am, is this visible, ma'am? Is that visible?
Second one, yes, ma'am. Second one, yes. Punctuate the following sentences. The first one is done for you. So what is that one? First one, A1. Mother buys fruits from the fruit shop. End with what? End with what? Full stop. Because there is no any question, there is no any exclamatory, there is no any field, there is no anything. So we have to end with only one punctuation, that is full stop, period. The second one, B1. Shall we start now? Okay, you have to give your answers through your chat box there. If you know well. Savita has found the book she was looking for. What will come there? Savita has found the book she was looking for.
And fully stop.
Full stop. Full stop. Very good. So always begin the sentence with capital letter. Don't forget that part. Got it, children? Okay. C1. Have you seen the car keys? Have you seen the car keys? Otherwise, shall I ask you, have you seen the car keys? Isn't it question there? Yes. So start with capital H, then end with question mark. Then, yes, mark question mark. Tarun, please mark. Mute here. Then D1, what a lovely dress this is. What a lovely dress this is. Even though question word is there, but that is not a question word. Start with capital W, that end with feel. So if you got one beautiful dress, how that used to feel as soon as see that one? Happy, no? So end with exclamatory mark. Very good. Exclamation mark. Okay, very good. Sanmita, very good. Then E1. We like our teacher very much. We like our teacher very much. Sentence only, full stop. Maybe exclamatory you are giving for that. That much you are loving your teacher. Exciting. As soon as see your teacher's face. Okay, now F1. Do you watch Tom and Jerry cartoons? So start with capital letter, ma. Without fail, you have to start with capital letter. Do you watch Tom and Jerry cartoons? Ashwant, very good. Question mark. So start with capital D. End with question mark. Very good, Charmin.
Tom and Jerry should be in capital, not because it's the name, proper
Yes.
noun.
T, capital and character.
Tom
T is
and
also
Jerry.
name of that one, particular pronoun. So that is you have to give that one.
Proper noun.
T is capital as well as J is also capital letter. Okay, ma'am. Then go to the first one. Complete the following sentences. Ma'am,
This one, ma'am.
go to the first worksheet. First one.
This one. Am I right?
Worksheet 2. No, ma'am. In worksheet 2, the first one, because we saw that second now. Complete the following sentences in your own
Yeah.
words. Try to
Then,
give
ma'am.
your own words now. Okay, let's go, children. Now, the first one is done for you in the sense, okay, they will give one, begin the sentence. You have to end with your own word. Shall we try to do that one? If I call out your name, you have to unmute and give your answer. Please, children, turn-wise you will get the chance. I will call out your name. That child only have to unmute and give your answer there. Will you? Will you cooperate to me now? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, now I call on the children and you have to give your answer there. Kanishka. Kanishka. Can you unmute and give your answer there, Kanishka? Let's go. Darun, will you give? Darun, will you give?
Screen is not visible, ma'am. Let's go to the
Okay, I'll ask you the question. No, sir. That means let's go. I'll give the sentence there. Let's go. You have to finish that one. Charmita.
party. Let's go for the party.
Very good. Who's that? Can you? Let's go for the party. Who said?
Ma'am.
Excellent.
Sarveshwar. Ma'am.
Okay. Ma'am, Gayatri ma'am, can you share that one?
Yes, ma'am. It is visible, no?
Party.
Children,
No.
screen, right?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me. Yeah.
Okay. Next one I'll give you. Congratulations.
You passed in annual exam.
Okay.
You got a job.
Listen, children.
You passed
Must
in
can
annual
you
exam.
mute along? Okay, ma'am is trying there. Will you please quiet now? Siva Ruben. Can you unmute and give your answer there? Congratulations.
Yes, can you see the screen, ma'am?
Congratulations, you got the first prize. Won the game.
Okay. See one. So you have to try to fill your sentence on your own words there.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Ma'am, again, we can't see that part. Okay, Guru Prasad. Guru Prasad, can you unmute and give the answer there? Congratulations.
You got a
Guru
medal.
Prasad,
You got a medal, ma'am.
congratulations.
You got a
the
medal.
Oh, you got the medal. Very good, Guru. Then the D1, my mother is. Okay, I'll
My
call your
mother
name.
is Vedat Max.
Wait, Sana, I'll call your name. I'll call your name. You have to wait for your turn. Kaushik. D section Kaushik. Kaushik. Kaushik.
Magisha 3C, please unmute yourself and tell Ma. Magisha 3C.
Magisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kanna, tell me my B question.
Magisha, can you give your answer? Unmute and give your answer.
My mother is my mother is best friend for me. Hello,
Mother is best friend for you. Very good. Very good. Very good. So always be like that. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
E1. E1. Shall we go for the E1? I love to. Sudashni Sri. Sudashni Sri. Can you
I
unmute
love
and give your answer there? Sudashni Sri. I love to.
I love to play every day. Every day.
Every day. Do you
Good,
want to
very
play
good.
every day?
I love to play every day.
Okay, very good. Very good, Kanna.
I love to play every day.
Okay, now. Okay, okay. Good, good. Then F1. Sabarish. Sabarish.
Others, please mute yourself, children.
Please, ma. Children, can you mute? Sabarish alone, can you unmute and give me the answer
Karmita,
for that
mute
one?
yourself.
Karmita. Okay. Sabarish, get ready now. I spend most of my time. Don't take this sentence. Give your own word.
With my family.
Yes, Kanna?
I spend most of my time with my family.
Very good, very
With
good.
my family. Very good, Kanna. Very good. Now get ready now. G1. Pragati D. Pragati. Get ready, Pragati now. During the summer vacation.
Yes, ma'am.
Pragati, give your answer there. During the summer vacations.
I can tell.
Pragati, give your answer. During the summer vacation. Don't take this
Children,
sentence.
please do not.
We plan to go to my grandmother's house.
Very good. So we plan to go to our grandmother's house.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
very good, Pragati. Very good, Kana. Now, yes, ma'am. Okay, now we are going to, I say no. What is the day today? What day we are celebrating today?
Reading day.
What day we are celebrating?
Reading day.
Reading day. Gayatri ma'am, get ready within that, ma'am.
Reading day. National Reading Day.
Ma'am, I want
Gayatri ma'am, get ready with
Yashwant to
that.
keep on annotating, ma'am. Yashwant, can you please do not
Yashwant,
touch the
please
screen?
don't ask annotation now. Yashwant, please cooperate, ma'am.
Today
Don't ask
celebrates
annotation.
National Reading Day.
Okay, very good, please. I need your unmute now. Please listen. If I call your name only, you have to give your answers there. Otherwise, you have to give answers through your chat box. Now, so today we are celebrating National Reading Day. So I said on the beginning of that session, so end of the session, we are going to practice reading. So we have to improve our reading skill. Shall we now? So everyone get chance now according to your alphabet order. So I need your cooperation. As soon as ma'am give that passage, that slide, you have to, if I call your name, you have to get ready to read that part. So children, you have to cooperate. If I call your name only, you have to unmute and read that one. I need your cooperation as well as your turn also will come there. Shall we move? Okay, very good. Ma'am, ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. According to your alphabet order, I'm going to call Anishka. Anishka? Anishka is not there. Okay.
Next person.
Charmika. Charmita. Charmita,
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the
Can you
pointer,
answer?
Charmita?
Okay, ma'am.
can you see the book?
Yes, ma'am. Long
Okay,
ago,
read.
there was a wise man. All the
Read.
whoever lied. All the people in the land knew about his honesty. The
No,
king
okay.
heard about Abu and
Okay, ma'am. I'll call you. Okay, finish it up that sentence.
wanted to know more about his wise man. He
Very good.
ordered
Very good,
his
Kana. Very good.
subjects
I'll call.
to bring
Very
him
good,
to the palace.
Enough,
Very
enough,
good,
enough, Charmita. Very good, very good.
Charmita, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Mohammed, Shamil, Shamil.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, get ready.
Yes,
Unmute
ma'am.
and read now.
Okay, ma'am.
Continue.
The
Continue.
king asked Abu, is
Abu,
it
is
really
it?
true that we never lead?
You
Right.
read like. You have. That is apostrophe there. You have. Never say. You.
It's true, your majesty.
Majesty.
Abu
It's true, Your
replied.
Majesty. Comma is there, no? You have to leave pass. Now only we read the punctuations there. So if it is comma, you have to leave the pass there. It's true, Your Majesty. Abu replied.
Abu replied. I
Very
am.
good.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay, ma. Okay, Kana. Okay, Shamil.
Children, ma'am will call your name. Only those children can read out. All the children will get your chance. Please
Okay.
wait.
Yes. Deepak. 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 3D. Deepak, can you unmute and read, ma? Or Darun. Darun. 3D Darun. Come, Kana. Can you unmute and read? Come, show the arrow mark nearby. Yes, Darun. Yes.
Absolutely.
I'm absolutely. Yes.
That's your word.
Majesty. All right. Second sentence now. All right. Continue. Continue to.
Voice
A
is
little bit
breaking,
louder.
Kana.
Kana, Darun.
Voice is breaking, Kana.
Yes. Okay, Darun. Practice, Darun. Practice well, okay? Okay. Alex. Meenaja. Sorry. Meenaja.
Fast, Meenaja. Come on. Read from that point.
Can you mute Darun? Can you mute Darun?
All right, continue to tell the truth, but beware, a lie is cunning and it can get
Children, if you see the punctuation, you have to leave that place. Okay. Read.
onto your tongue easily.
Can you read the second one? After some days.
After some days, the king again called Abu to his palace. When Abu arrived,
Arrived.
the king was just about to go hunting. There was a big crowd near the palace. The king was.
Okay. Tejashwini. Tejashwini.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma, come soon. Coming out of the time. Can you come soon, Tejashwini? Okay. Thank you, Meenaja. Very good. Tejashwini.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read that last one, ma'am? Can you show that one? One passage. Read Kana. Tejashwini.
Holding his horse by the man and his
Main,
left
main, main.
Main. Don't put man. Main.
and his left foot was on the strip.
Stripper.
Stirrup.
Strip.
He ordered Abu, I want you to go to my summer place,
Palace. Palace.
palace.
Palace right now.
Tell the queen that I will be
With
with
her.
her for
problem.
lunch and she should prepare and big
And
feast
she should
you
prepare a big feast.
is
Then end up
feast.
finish it up. Finish.
You will also have lunch with me, Abu.
Very good.
Yes, thank you, Kana. Thank you.
Okay, very good, children. So this will be continue next class also. Hereafter, you have to end of the session. Reading practice will be there. So everyone have to participate. Why that we are giving? So you have to getting involved in reading. So you have to increase your reading skill. That's the reason we have to practice hereafter every session. Got it, children? Shall we follow or practice? Yes, ma'am. Say yes, ma'am. In your chat box. So we have to try to in your chat box. We have to try to practice our reading skill now.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, children.
Good day, ma'am.
Bye,
ma'am. Bye, Gurudev.